Oh, good morning. A little different for you today. I got some cleaning up to do. Man, it's gonna get hot. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Well, I've arrived. Can y'all guess where I'm at? Where I'm gonna get cleaned up at? Oh my gosh, I got a lot of tools to pick up. And the dogs are barking. Anyway, so y'all want to see the end result? There we go. Ready? Yeah. I've got a helmet coming, new one that I will be reviewing, and hope you enjoy that one. Probably be next week, because this week I will be in Minneapolis, Minnesota for the National Truck Driving Championships. So let's see what cleaned up looks like. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. I'll be right back. So yeah, I got cleaned up. I got some other cleaning up stuff to do. I've got blades to sharpen for the grass cutter and get switched out because sometimes things get out of control. I actually was off work yesterday because on Thursday I was on my way back from Western Kansas and I had a snack wrap. For those of you that know where those come from, I believe I had food poisoning, and Thursday night into Friday morning I was sick. And I don't normally get stomach sick like that. It's been years. So I was off yesterday. Finally, about 5 o'clock, I had an appointment at the Minute Clinic and got looked at. Doc said that she didn't think it was my spleen or my gallbladder, and gave me a prescription if I need it. And very nice doctor. But yeah, I just wanted to share my morning with you. It's going to get hot. See, I'm still yeah. It's going to get hot, and stay hydrated. I usually have water in my Yeti if I'm out mowing. Got my headphones on, listening to music and such and whatever. But if you're out on your bikes, man, stay hydrated. Get bottles of water or something to drink out of while you're riding or at stops and whatnot. So, yeah. I got to take a little Tucker off the bike here and straighten him out a little bit. Yeah, so my plate is kind of full today. Wear light colored clothing. What do you do to try to stay hydrated on your trips? Leave me a comment down below in the comments. Let me know how you're doing. For those of you that are new here, I appreciate you subscribing and watching. And yeah, so the next week might be a little slow, and that's because I will be up in Minneapolis, and I really can't video anything, and I'll try to keep you updated on social media if I can. So we'll talk at you later, and say hi to a stranger, thank a veteran, and I don't know, be kind to each other. And we'll talk to you on the next one, okay? Say bye. Bye.